electric potato. And Dad is dropping Mommy. Come on, fix that.
Okay.
And watching.
Okay, what do we need to make this clock work?
Copper.
Which one is copper?
Copper. This.
Okay.
This.
Metal strips. Okay, and what else do we need? Of course, potato.
Electric potato.
And we need this digital clock. So the potatoes are gonna be like the
Battery.
Yeah, the batteries. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Here, not in the middle because we need space for this one. We're gonna poke it. Okay, so one potato must have one zinc and one copper metal strips.
Mom, where but here?
Wait, let me.
3, 2.
Here, guys. Okay, make it a bit
3,
closer.
2, 1. Let's poke it.
Can you even poke?
Wait, let me try.
It's too soft. Oh, there you go. Okay.
I'm putting one.
Okay. Wait. Okay, Zach, you see you're bending it. Okay.
It's in the juice.
Okay.
Potato
That's
juice.
enough. Wait, let me fix
Wait, I
first.
didn't know that was juice. Yes.
Guys, fix first. Let me fix this one first before doing anything to the next one.
That's brown. I thought you were
Okay.
brown. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Let's poke
Oh. Let's see if this clock will work.
3, 2, 1. Go. Oh, wait, no. Good.
It's working!
Let me see.
Wait.
Oh, electric potato works!
Electric potato works! Yeah!
Potato.
But it's the other side. It should be like this. Wait. But it worked! Again, what happened there? Can you tell me again? Yeah, I will fix it later. See? It's 12. Can you tell me how it works, Zeb?
Because there's circle things inside the cover and
What circle things?
I imagine it's circle.
Okay, so the metal strips have the chemical energy, and then when you poke it through the potato,
it turns into electric potato.
electrical energy. So there are particles in the potato that helps the current flow and
It makes an electric potato.
go.
Really okay.
It's upside down, but yes, it worked. Yay!
The handwriting.
Okay. Anyway, what are you gonna say?
Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye. Subscribe. Bye.